that's what I'm thinking too.
Come on, man. Hey.
I guess I'll stay with you and protect you.
Yeah, you go, you go.
Oh, come on, really? Oh, dude, did you just shoot him? Come on, man. That ain't right.
Alright, guys.
That was good, man. That was good. I saw you running. Like, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Yeah, dude, you were just going like this. You're like, oh, God.
I think I'm ascending. I'm full again. I'm like, it's like, oh, yeah, all right. I was the only one with them. You guys all left us.
Yeah, go. I just came around the front, like, hit it.
So, whose team is he on? No, we're doing versus
VIP.
No, there's no more VIP.
Oh, I don't know. Bam.
So, you got a pin? No.
Okay, switch. Let's go.
I didn't hear the bells. Like, what just happened?
Yeah. I almost got him, but then he got me. Then he rushed around and got him. Like he was running fast too.
Michael moved fast.
I was like, okay, I'm gonna hit the corner. This nigga said, bro.
Did he shoot you or did he just? I swear I heard him pull the trigger. Did he?
Yeah, no, he said hit. He got me.
Oh, okay. There's a nail on there. That's not cool. Let's slide that way at least. He got me out and then rushed us, man. I'm not gonna get caught again.
Cover me, I'm gonna get in the camera.
Okay. Alright, yeah. Remember. Move.
That's our guy. That's our guy.
Oh, glad I didn't hit him. You got me. I didn't hit you, really? Come on.